So I'll start with my hair, and as usual I'm using this Oilcraft Naturals Neil Bringadi hair oil. As you can see, I'm just running out of this stuff. I pour around 2 to 3 tablespoons of this oil in a bowl and heat it in microwave for good 20 seconds. Then I just keep on parting my hair and apply the oil directly to my scalp. This way, the oil distributes very nicely and evenly, all over my scalp, and that's how I put oil on my hand with my fingers. You can use a cotton round, and the cotton round will soak up the oil, and it will be much easier because you'll not drip oil around on your body and bed sheets. So I'll make sure that each and every area on my scalp is covered. Whatever is left in the bowl, I'll take it in on my fingertips and gently massage my hair. I massage for good 5-10 minutes and then tie them up. Then I'll move on to my this face pampering thing, and I'll start with washing my face. So I'm using this Just Herbs Silk Splash face wash, which is quite gentle and but it stings like hell. If you open your eyes, it will make you blind. Then I'll take this Oilcraft Naturals Lavanya face scrub. No, sorry, Saundarya face scrub. It's like a gel-based scrub with very fine granules, and I really like this stuff because it's coarse. You can feel scrub particles on your face, but it's not abrasive. So you can control the pressure you would like to put on your skin and massage it gently on the trouble areas. For me, it's like around my mouth, nose, and on my jawline where I get most of my breakouts. Next, I'll move on to a massage cream. I'm using this Innisfree Orchid massage cream. It's really, really good. It's thick and it has a balmy texture. So I'll take around half a teaspoon of this massage cream and gently rub it on my skin in circular motions. And I'll just try to the main focus of the entire massaging will be like massaging the product into the skin, massaging till the product sinks into the skin, and I'm doing it mostly in upwards and outward motions because you don't want wrinkles, right? Then I'll apply this Lavanya face mask. I really like this stuff. It is like a kaolin clay based mask, the one you find in these, what do you call them, I don't remember, I'll mention it. And I'll apply it like generously, or okay, yeah, lactocalamine, the one that you find in lactocalamine. I'll apply it generously on my face in a light layer, so all over my face, and I'll let it dry for good 5-10 minutes, and then we'll wash it off using lukewarm water. So I'm not applying it to all over my neck because it gets too messy. That's that. After 5 minutes, I've just washed off my face, and this is how my clean face looks. So yeah, now we'll move on to my shower routine. These days I'm loving this Body Shop cocoa butter shower cream. For my hair, I'm using this Palmer's olive oil shampoo, and then this deep conditioning mask from Dere Furchere. It's Karite. It's from their Karite line. Then for my body, I'm using this Body Herbal scrub. I don't like this stuff much, but I'm just trying to finish it up. And after that, I'll use this apricot kernel oil from Breathe Aromatherapy. This moisturizes my skin really nicely. Now you can see I have tied my hair up in my t-shirt, the t-shirt that I was wearing, and it has soaked up all of the water from my hair. Then I'll spray some rose water on my skin and wipe it off using cotton round. I might look quite violent here, but believe me, I'm wiping it off very gently. Then for my serum, I'm using this drops of youth from Nutriganics range of the Body Shop. It's like quite thick and slimy, but it applies and absorbs into the skin like almost immediately. You can see my skin looks like quite clearer and even toned at this moment, though I'm feeling very tired and hungry. So yeah, so till the time the product is sinking into my skin, I'll move on to my hair, and I'm using this Cadistas serum, which is meant for color treated hair, but since this serum is like laying in my drawer for like good 4 or 5 months now, I'm deciding to trying to quite finish it up. So I have applied the serum on the ends of my hair, and whatever was left on my palms, I just applied it on the crown. So that way you'll not have limp or flat hair. So I'm using this blow dryer from Philips, and I'm trying to add volume to my hair. And yeah, I'm just simply blow drying because the weather is quite cold here in Delhi, and I don't want to catch cold. So um, I mean, on a regular basis, I do not use a comb or a roller comb. What do you call them? To set my hair. So I'm using this Orchid eye cream from Innisfree. It's again a really good product. Has a nice balmy texture, and it sinks into the area really nicely and moisturize it really well without being greasy or slippery. For my face, I'm using Innisfree Orchid Enriched Cream. When I'm not going anywhere and sitting in the house, I use a nice and heavy moisturizing cream. When I'm going outside, I make sure to layer sunscreen on the top of it so that I do not get, you know, the sun damage. My skin doesn't get damaged by the sun. For my lips, I'm using this Organic Harvest Lip Balm in Lemon. This stuff is nice. I'm using it for it's been only one day I'm using it. So now I've decided to um, straighten my hair a little, and I'm using this big paddle brush and just taking strands of my hair, not strands, chunks of my hair, and running blow dryer through them. This is the best way, and my layers get emphasized and they look really beautiful and curl inside inwards. This is how you say it, right? And I'll repeat the same thing on the other side of my hair. And I'm sure you can see how nice, shiny, and smooth my hair look. I don't do it on a regular basis, but today, since I'm filming and I'm taking so much pain, I thought of showing you how I do this 5 minutes blow dry. This is like a super easy, and if you have wavy hair like mine, this thing will work, and it's really good if you're running. If you're in a hurry, even in the morning, you can do it. It's really, really easy. So yeah, that's my hair look after blow drying and everything. So I really like how they look now. I'm just combing them. Yeah, I still have my hair wet, but then they will air dry. And yeah, that's all. So I hope you guys liked it. Now I'll blabber in rest of my video.
That's all I do for my skin and hair on a weekly basis. Mostly I do entire this pampering thing around the weekend only, because that's when I get most of the time to indulge into a pampering session. So now I'm quite now I'm feeling quite tired, and now I'll have my lunch. And this entire video shooting took a long time. So I used to get a lot of hair care and skincare video requests in on my almost on my each and every video. So I thought of doing it. It took a long time, but this is how I pamper my skin around weekend. And yeah, so you can see my hair is like looking quite nice and healthy and bouncy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very different kind of video. I'm sure my long-term viewers know that I do not do this kind of videos, but I really enjoy doing it, and I might do these kind of videos often. So hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.